Hey guys, what's up? This is Mohammad Arshad here. Today, as I've promised, I'll be coming live and talking to you about my journey into affiliate marketing, like how I got into this affiliate marketing stuff, what brought interest into me into this field. So let's get started. I'll just explain. I'll take a little bit back to my educational background, where I was and what I was doing. So I have recently, graduated from my masters. I finished my automotive engineering in 2019, and then actually I was not from a well background family. I was from a middle class family. I always wanted to, I had some of my dreams which I wanted to come true. So that's why, my parents, invested a lot of money uh, into education. They wanted me to pursue my desires as in like whatever interest I had. So I started after my schooling. I started my engineering. I did engineering in 2013. Then I finished my engineering. I was interested, to pursue a job. But then, whatever I was having an expectation, I wanted to uplift my family from a middle class. We always have this desire as an engineer, to get into a good, reputed company and make some good money, right? So I was good in my academics. I did a lot of hard work into my academics. I got good grades. I got very good grades. Not just explaining how much I got, but then I had good understanding in my academics. But then I did not land up in a very good job. I did 1.5 years job later on. I was not happy with my job. I was working 9 to 6, but then it was not 9 to 6, because in India we are always underpaid. We don't get the amount of money what we are actually supposed to get. We are always underpaid. So that is one thing which was hurting me inside. I wanted to make some good amount of money from my education. So therein I got an interest in doing my masters. So I had this interest of doing masters. So I applied to Germany because I was really interested in my studies. I applied to Germany. I got a good institution, but later, due to some personal reasons, I couldn't land up. That is wherein I decided, okay, if I am not able to go in some abroad country and pursue my education, let me complete it here in Bangalore itself. Let me search which institute is good, wherein I can improve my education background, and then at least after my education, I can get into some good company. Then I did my masters. 2017, I joined in one of the best universities in Bangalore. I did my best. I could do. I did a lot of hard work. Then after 2 years, of success, I could finally achieve. As my friends know, I was able to achieve a gold medal from my academics. So that was a dream come true to me. My parents were very much happy. I was married by that time, so even my wife was happy. She was very happy. She was like, okay, finally, now your dreams are coming true. And then again, while I was studying, I was also doing some internship in one of the companies. There I was taken aback, wherein I had to suffer a lot. Like my experience in the internship was horrible, to say the least. The kind of work I was given, I was giving my full commitment to the work, but even then, my manager he was not happy. That's how I think people are over here. They always criticize your work. They'll get the most of the work done from you, though you are good in your academics, though you're highly educated. They always criticize you to the most. So that's wherein I felt like, I mean, this job is not helping me out. I'm trying my best from my side, but still this job is not helping me out. Therein, there was a moment of realization inside me, like after doing so much of hard work into this education, still I'm not being respected into this job field. Therein I had a moment of realization, why shouldn't I after investing, my parents invested so much into education. I mean, it's into lakhs here. The amount of money they have invested. So at least I have to repay that, right? They have invested so much of money, and if I am not able to earn a good amount of money, it's a bit disappointing. So then I at least realized, after doing so much of hard work, why not I open a company of my own? Why don't I start with something interesting of my own? So that is wherein this concept of entrepreneurship came inside of me. So from therein, but yeah, so I but then there was one fear inside of me, like, if I go into entrepreneur field, will I be, because we are not from the family of business background, wherein people have ideas of business, how to run a business and all. I have zero knowledge of business. I have no I don't have money to invest now. I wanted to do something of my own, so I always had this fear inside of me. But then I was always little bit of confident, at least, that I can be an entrepreneur in future. At least, so much of education will not go in vain. Like one incident wherein I went for an interview. I took my wife also to the interview. Like, she was a little interested in having her coffee in CCD. I dropped her in CCD. I went for the interview. I was very happy. This manager called me in. He's asking me a few questions. He's asking questions based on his experience, but then I was not able to explain a few bits of whatever he was asking me. Then I was not I was not feeling happy about that. I was disappointed with my work. But then I realized, see, I have done my work. I have done whatever best was possible from my side. If they are not happy, maybe it's because their work is different, and the education what I got is a bit different. I also see, like, in India, there is a huge gap between your theoretical knowledge what you get in your colleges, and the industry works what they involve, the projects whatever is being done in industries, and the knowledge what you have gained. There is a huge gap. This gap has to be filled by ourselves. That is what I realized. This has to be filled by ourselves. So how do we fill this gap? One thing is, either you be an entrepreneur, you do something of your own business. If people get interested, they'll hire you. But then the concept of job was not suiting me, so I wanted to do this. So after that interview, I was disappointed. I went back to my family. My wife was at least giving me some hopes, saying, don't lose your hopes right now. You have done a lot of hard work. Give a bit time, have some patience. There's something good which is going to come. We all believe we're all destined for whatever good is going to come. There may be some hardships initially, but there is always good to come. So I was having this patience, and then suddenly this COVID-19 came up into everyone's life. So all the business got hit, and everyone was suffering in losses. Not everyone, but most of them were suffering in losses. And we were locked up in our homes, so we did not have any options to go into work. Then what happened was, like, we were just locked up in our home browsing online. So suddenly I was just going through my Facebook profile, and then I see one of my friends posting the pictures, like, he made few dollars in few hours. Like, he was posting, he made some two figures money, but just in some, say, few hours, just in few hours. Like, I was surprised a little bit. I then messaged him asking, like, what kind of business are you running into, and how are you making this profit? Then I messaged him. He said, okay, if you're free, let us get connected on Zoom. I'll explain you what this is. Then we got into Zoom webinar. Like, he was explaining me what exactly this is, and this is wherein he was working into affiliate marketing. He gave me an idea on affiliate marketing. He explained me what exactly this is. I don't want to go deep into this. He told me what this is and how you can make there's an opportunity of making passive income through this also. It's not like you have to actively do it. You may be doing a 9 to 5 job and also get passive income through this. So I was surprised. Okay, fine. If there is a way of getting some income through other means, why not I give it a try? So then I kept messaging him, asking him few things. But then again, there was a moment like I procrastinated. I got involved into some other work. There was a big gap later on. Then I was like, okay, I'm delaying this. I have to take up the step now. I have to get involved into this. Let me message him back again, asking him, please, please, please guide me again. So I asked him again, like, okay, please, can you please explain me further? So therein he shared me a book, an interesting book. This book is called Dot-Com Secrets by Russell Brunson. Russell Brunson is a US person. He's an entrepreneur. He runs a software called ClickFunnels, and I got interested. I read this book. So the day he shared me, I started reading it, and the first day itself, surprisingly, I could finish 40% of the book. The story what he was narrating, he has some 15 years odd experience in marketing field. He was sharing his experience, what marketing is, how marketing works. Then I was surprised, like, this is very interesting actually. Even though you are an engineer, you own a product, unless you market that product, you will not find the profits, right? So you need to have some skills on marketing also. So that is when I got interested. I read this book. I was surprised. Okay, fine. So this book is very interesting. I want to know some more on this. So I messaged him back, asking him, can you please guide me again? Like, okay, this is very interesting. I know if I can invest my time into this, I think this is a new skill what I can learn and kind of develop my entrepreneur skills. So then he told me something called One Funnel Away Challenge. So here I was, a little, I was, surprised, like what this One Funnel Away Challenge is and what this is into. He shared me all the details about it. Therein I started, going into YouTube, checking all the materials about this One Funnel Away Challenge. I went into Quora. I saw some testimonials, and therein I got a good number of feedbacks from people who said like this has been life changing to them, and they were not like people who are from good education background. They are from different business field. Some people are running e-commerce, some people are doing coaching, some people are running gyms, some people are selling health products, supplements. So this is helping out in every business. So therein I was okay, fine. I got little interested. I messaged my friend who introduced me to One Funnel Away. I told him, okay, can you please get me involved into this? I seriously want to learn this, since we're all locked down in our home for a few days, and it got extended. We were trapped in our home. I wanted to learn this new skill. So therein I told him, okay, when is this starting? I want to get enrolled. So he said it's starting around 20th April. I got interested, but then one thing what I was not having is money. As we know, one thing what we Indians don't try from our side is investing in the right platform. He said this challenge is gonna cost $100. Then I was a little surprised. Okay, $100. Where will I bring $100? Especially in lockdown. We are locked down. I'm not able to pay my rents actually. The business are hit big time. None of my family members were making good amount of money. So I was not able to pay the rents first of all. Then coming up with $100 was a big thing for me. Then I asked one of my friends, asking him like, can he give me a debt of $100, and if I am able to repay him in month or two. Then he agreed. Then the payment was done from my side. I am very thankful to him. I don't want to reveal his name. I'll reveal maybe in future time. But he was a big support to me. He invested his money. He told, okay, you can take my money and give it a few months or few days later whenever you get this back. Then I invested this money. Then the challenge started on 20th of April, and it's been like 2.5 weeks till now. And the amount of knowledge what I have got through One Funnel Away challenging is huge. I mean, I was blown away by the information which this challenge contains. There is a lot of information. You may belong to any background, but the kind of information they give you, right? You get hooked into this. Seriously, I'm telling you, you get hooked into this, and you feel like, okay, I can also be a entrepreneur, or if not entrepreneur, you can be into affiliate marketing also. So this has been this has brought some transformation from inside of me. I had a lot of fears, I had a lot of thoughts coming into my mind. I was not able to come up with something positive. But then after taking up this course, there's a huge relief inside of me. And then I'm contacting my friends. I'm calling them up. I'm explaining them, let us start some business up. I know doing a job is not gonna help us to achieve some good figures. So then, and I saw some testimonials on one funnel away challenge, wherein people have made huge money, 6 to 7 figures money through their funnels. Yes, it takes a bit of time. It requires patience. It also requires some strategy. It takes some time, but then people have seen success, right? They're not from technical background. They have zero knowledge on technical background. So this platform has helped many people to be entrepreneurs. Seriously, I'm telling you, a lot of testimonials coming in, a lot of people taking up this challenge. A lot of positive things are coming out of this challenge. So this is the positive thing what I've got to know. And I'm seriously, one thing what I want others to take, what I want people to take away from this video what I have made is, try to learn skills of marketing. See, marketing is one field which you have to be good at it. No matter what product you are doing or what business you are running, you need to have some marketing strategy. I mean, it's necessary. So that's what I wanted to convey. This is why I came up live. I wanted my friends to be involved in this. It's actually surprising to see so many of you online listening to me, but then I'm really happy. At least if someone can benefit from this, I'll be really happy. If people have this fear of becoming an entrepreneur in future, if there are some fears inside of them, then I would recommend them, at least try to message me. I'll help you. I'll try to guide you whatever is possible from my side. I'll help you out. I believe being an entrepreneur or entering into the marketing is a good future. And I have seen a lot of videos on YouTube recently, wherein people have been saying the next era is all about online, right? Everything is going online. The people who have benefited even in this period of COVID-19, or people who are running online business, they have made at least some kind of money, right? Even not stepping out of their homes, they have made some money. So what I need, my friends, is at least try to learn this. And this may help you in future. If not at this moment of your life, you may be stuck with your job. You may not be able to give full time into this, but then at least have this skill inside of yours. And one of the best things, I forgot to tell you, is when I started this challenge, Russell mentions like this challenge, any person can take up this challenge and learn this skill. So he says like you can bring in your family members, bring in your wife, bring in your parents, bring in your kids, make them learn this skill. It's such a nice thing which is easy to understand. It's pretty easy to understand and then apply right away. So I have been involved in this challenge with my wife. Even my wife got interested into this, and she's been thinking into marketing. She doesn't have a degree actually. Even though she doesn't have any degree, she's still studying. She's interested now. She's like, no, 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 we'll launch some business, we'll do this, we'll do that. A lot of ideas kept coming inside. So this is how this challenge is. It keeps you, keeps you thinking, and makes you, have some positive feeling about this, whatever desire you have, no matter which background you are from. So hopefully I have been helpful to you guys, explaining you like what this challenge is about. I'll be able to share you more details, like what this challenge is, how you can take up, how you can overcome your fears, how you can achieve your dreams. So please comment below saying what are all fears you have, what are objections you are coming in your life, whether you're interested in this. Please let me know. I'll be I'll do my best to help you out. So thank you all, thank you for joining me. and I'll keep you posted. And now probably I'll do frequently my Facebook live videos. Now I've got the motivation and also some skills of marketing. So I'll be explaining every day, coming on live, explaining like okay what this is and how you can build your interest into this. So hope to see you soon. Bye bye. Thank you all.